Hello, hello, hello. So, time to review another wig. So, wow, it's gonna cut straight to the chase. RAYWIGS. Do you remember them? They're the ones who gave me this lovely, I'll put a clip of it now. It was a really natural blonde wig, and I believe it was in the style Ava. And I love that wig so much, and I'm really happy with it. It's so good. Quality of it's good. It looks good. The colour's amazing. I wish I should stop wearing it more actually, because yeah, it's really nice. I haven't worn it in a little bit now. But RAYWIGS, they've got in touch, and they want me to review another wig. So I was all for it. So again with the box, the really nice kind of gradient, pink to purple, which is just nice. So we open it up, and what have we got? Got the wig cap, so there's 2 wig caps in here, and the wig. So there's the box. So this is a really kind of different and interesting wig, especially compared to a lot of the ones I have. So I was on their website, and this just kind of jumped out at me. Look at this. So it's also not the longest, it's a different length. Normally they're also long that I get, but it's got these, it's a blonde rooted wig that then goes to red via orange, but not much orange, it's very much red. So it just kind of goes from blonde to orangey red to more red to very red. That's a stunning colour. I kind of like the way the roots are kind of the reverse of me right now. My roots are terrible. But I'm very eager to try this on. Let's see, let's look at it. Decent cap size. Oh, so it's parted on the left right now, which is where I like to have my partings anyway, but you have got about 1.5 inches, maybe 2 inches of partable space. There's the frontal bit, the lace front goes all around the front, ear to ear, but there is also a kind of closure parting space here, as you can see, which if you wanted to use the left parting, you have like an extra 2 inches of partable space there, so that comes all the way back, which means when you're wearing the wig, actually, instead of just having those 2 inches of parting, you genuinely have this more parting, and it just makes the wigs look more natural when the parting goes further back. So you are restricted to it being on the left side, and if you want to part your hair in any other way, it'll be a bit more forward, or you could just wear it back. You can do that, but if you want to have it parted on the left, it goes further back and just looks much more real, which I find most people part their hair on the left, and I'm sure I read a study that the left side of your face for like 99% of the population is their good side, and the side you are perceived to be most attractive from. So parting your hair on the left side is very common. Most people part their hair on the left, and I really don't know why. But I do. I feel like I do it because my right eye is lazy, and if I part my hair on the right, it then covers my good eye, and oh, I look really nice though. Okay, things first, I'm going to go and put my hair up and out the way, and we may as well use one of the wig caps they provided, though I have absolutely no shortage of wig caps, because every single wig I get, they seem to give me about 2 wig caps. This is, oh, you know when you get those ponytails that hurt? Okay, now let's do this, and I'm ready to probably take off half my forehead makeup again. It happens every time. You can also see I've got a very faint light piece on. It started off more natural, and it looked really nice when it was natural, and now as it becomes more of a look, I'm just kind of used to it, and now I kind of want to take it to full drag. So now I look underwhelming, but before I just looked really nice. But I've been trying out this eye palette, so you can watch my review of that if you want. Just check out my video. I'm doing a pizza palette, and I'm doing that. So, you know, orange red eyes, I've got a yellow top on, and I feel like this hair, it's all going to be very pizza colours. Unintentional. Let's try her on right away, because I'm just excited, and then we'll cut the lace off, see how it just feels, how it fits. Ooh! 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 Whoa! Wow! Okay, so I have a bigger head than I think, because when I see these wigs, I put them on and I realise they're actually much shorter than I thought. Zoom out. That's a really nice length. I don't often I don't have many wigs this, like, I love this length on me. I usually have to cut my wigs if I want them this length. You know what, I'm happy to actually have got one that wasn't just long. Also, these colours are doing bits. This is so interesting. I normally don't like weird, unconventional kind of light roots on coloured hair because I think it just looks silly sometimes. But this works, this really works. And also just look at how invisible that lace is. I haven't even cut it off. Into it. Let's take her off, and I'm going to cut this lace off. Modern lace, it's just really fine. I remember it never used to be this fine, but it's so fine and invisible. But that means it on my skin, it just shows up. Not at all, really. It's pretty much undetectable, which means I think I can get away with anything I want. I could leave lace, I could cut it all off. So I am going to cut about 1 centimetre away from the hairline. I'm really confident that it's just going to look amazing. So, as we can also see just before I put it on my head, and we don't get to see this anymore, this is the inside of the wig. Again, just like the last one, loads of tracks, lots of hair, decent weight considering the length of it, and there are combs in it. There's one on each side and one at the back, which I like because that means I can secure it to my head and it's not going to come off or go anywhere. I have a big head and my hair back here, and it still fits amazingly. And I'm really happy that it's parted on the left so I don't have to change the parting. See, it looked nice anyway, but now I just gave it a brush and it looks so healthy. It looks like it could be human hair. It's weird how... Oh, my mind doesn't know what to think. Am I blonde or am I red? Like, it's confusing it. Okay, and I haven't even glued it down and already it just looks so good. Oh, wow. It's so cool. That's the main thing about this wig. I look so cool in it. It really goes with this makeup as well, doesn't it? So let me talk you through some information on this wig. So it's from RAYWIGS, RAYWIGS.com. And this, again, is an Ava wig, which is so perfect, so fitting. The last one was an Ava wig, so the style Ava is, I think, that's what makes this style is it's the left parting, and, you know, it's very me. That's why it's called Ava. So it's another Ava wig, but this time it's in Red Fire. Ooh. So let's read the product info. Colour says the same as the picture, which is true, so it's like a blonde to red gradient. The length is 14 to 16 inches. Density is 150% heavy. In brackets, quite full. That is absolutely correct. Lace colour, light brown. Material, high quality, heat resistant silk. So you can straighten it, you can curl it, you can use heat on it as you would with normal hair, and you'll be fine. Wig cap contains 2 parts, lace front and weft back. The lace front means you can style a quite natural hairline, and the back part is elastic. They use a really pretty mannequin, so it makes it look nicer. And I mean, there's the hairline. It's really just really natural looking. I'm loving everything about this, and the fact that it's called Ava. Just like last time, I have a code. You can save money with the code Ava. There you go, nice and simple. That's Ava as in me, Ava as in the style of this hair, Ava as in short for avalanche, available, avant-garde, avast. AVA. Whenever people ask me what my name is and I say Ava, they always think I say Eva, and they're like, oh, Eva? And I'm like, no, Ava. AVA. And I do this. Because it's like an A. That's my name. Wait. There you go. Go on to RAYWIGS website, use the code AVA. You can save money on any wig. Why not get yourself an Ava wig as well? Because I've had 2 now. They're the best. Are we living then? Are we living for this hair on me? Are we living for this whole moment? This makeup look with this hair? The blonde root with the red? Me in red? The fact that it's called Ava? The fact that the code that you can use to save money is also Ava? The RAYWIGS with their lovely pink purple packaging. All of the important information you'll need will be in the description, as well as links to my social media. So it'd be really good if you checked out RAYWIGS, checked out their website, got yourself something, used my code, checked out their social media, but then also checked me out. If you like me and you want to keep up with me, Please check me out on social media. I'm not just on YouTube, I actually post on Instagram every single day. I'm on Facebook, you can get to know me and see my personality. Instagram is just Ava Cassandra, Facebook just search for Ava Cassandra. But also, I am on YouTube a lot. I post pretty regularly wig reviews, makeup looks, tutorials, drag 101, just entertainment, all sorts of stuff. I do it all over here. Please subscribe if you're interested, and also could you please like this video. Apparently YouTube has changed something with the algorithm now, and they only treat videos as they're successful or as they're doing well engagement wise if people like them. So now it doesn't even matter if you watch it or whatever, you have to like a video for YouTube to recognise, oh, this is a good YouTuber that's doing well. Which sucks. You have to put out good content that people like. So if you do like this, please like the video. If you don't like it, you don't have to. It does help, but you can be honest. Please leave a comment down below. Let me know what you think of this wig. Tell RAYWIGS that they're lovely. And tell them I sent you. Go on. Thank you so much for watching, and goodbye, and I'll catch you in my next video.